How to add your title on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your title on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. Now click settings, click complete your profile, and now scroll down until you find this one title. Click on it. Now just type here any title you want. And you can change it again if you want. It's easy. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.